Stop for a moment. Take a deep breath and listen carefully to these simple words. Ask yourself, honestly, am I really living my life? Or am I just existing every day? Many people wake up, check their phones, and scroll without any purpose or real direction. They eat, work, and sleep again. But deep inside, they feel lost, tired, and empty. They say, "Someday I will change." But that someday never comes. It's always tomorrow. Every second that passes is a piece of your life that will never return again. You are not killing time, my friend. Time is slowly killing you without mercy. You think you have forever, but life is shorter than you imagine right now. You want to speak better English, make money, travel, and feel proud of yourself someday. But what are you doing today, right now, to build the life you really want? Are you learning something new or wasting hours watching random videos on your phone? Are you using your time wisely or letting your dreams slowly die while you wait? The truth is simple. This is your life, your one and only chance to live. You don't get another version. You don't get to restart when time has already gone. So stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start where you are. Even one small action today can completely change the direction of your entire life. Read one page. Write one goal. Speak one sentence in English. Move one small step. Because success doesn't come to people who wait. It comes to people who start moving. Time is your real money, your real power, your best friend, or your worst enemy. Every second matters. And every minute is a chance to rewrite your life again. So wake up before it's too late and open your eyes to your own potential. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are just not using your true power. You still have time. You still have energy. You still have one more beautiful chance. Don't waste it. Don't delay it. Don't let your dreams die inside your comfort zone. Let's talk about how to stop wasting life and start living with purpose today. Part 2. Why most people waste their lives. Most people don't waste their lives on purpose. They waste them without even noticing it. They live in a routine, doing the same things every day without real intention or growth. They wake up tired, check their phone, scroll for hours, and call it resting time. They say they want change, but they never move, never plan, never start doing something. They keep saying, "I'll start tomorrow." But tomorrow becomes next week, next month, next year. That's how dreams die, not fast, but slowly, one lazy day at a time. The truth is, people are not lazy because they don't care, but because they feel lost. They don't know what to do, so they escape into comfort, distraction, and fake satisfaction. They think watching videos or scrolling makes them happy, but it only makes them emptier. Comfort feels safe, but comfort is the silent killer of every dream and purpose inside you. When you always choose comfort, you slowly lose your fire, your passion, your hunger to grow. You stop challenging yourself. You stop learning. You stop believing you can actually change your life. And then, one day, you wake up and realize you are the same person again. The same routine, the same fear, the same excuses, the same results, over and over again. You look at your goals, but you feel too tired to even try one more time. You tell yourself stories. It's too hard. I am too old. I don't have time, but these are not facts. They are lies your mind tells to protect your comfort. Your mind wants easy things, but your soul is screaming for something greater, something real. You don't fail because you can't. You fail because you keep waiting to feel ready. But feeling ready never comes. Only action makes you ready. Not thinking, not planning. Every time you wait for motivation, you lose more time, more energy, more confidence. You don't need motivation. You need discipline. The power to move even when you are tired. You need to stop blaming your past, your parents, your boss, or your situation today. Nobody is coming to save you. The hero you are waiting for is inside you. That's the hard truth most people never want to face in their entire lives. They complain, compare, and cry instead of standing up and doing something about it. So now ask yourself honestly, are you living your life or wasting it slowly? If you don't change your habits will destroy every dream you ever had. It's time to stop running from pain and start facing the truth with courage today. Because only when you face your reality can you start building the life you want. Let's talk about how to change that step by step. With action, not excuses. Part 3. How to stop wasting your life. If you want to stop wasting your life, you must start doing 3 simple things today. Number 1. Take responsibility. Stop blaming others. Stop waiting. Stop saying, I can't. Your life is your job. Not your parents. Not your bosses. Not your friends. No one will build your dream for you. It's your job, your mission, your choice. Say this every morning. I am responsible for my life, and I can change it. When you take responsibility, you take back power. And power brings clarity, focus, and action. Number 2. Respect your time. Because time is not unlimited, and it never comes back. Every hour you waste scrolling, you are giving away a piece of your dream. Use your time like gold. Write your plan, even a small one, and follow it daily. Study English for 15 minutes. Read 1 page. Walk 10 minutes. Start small, but stay consistent. Don't focus on perfection. Focus on progress. Small progress is still better than nothing. Because every little step you take today builds the future version of you tomorrow. Remember, time is not your enemy. It becomes your friend when you use it wisely. Number 3. Control your mind before your mind controls you. Your mind will say, I am tired. I'll do it later. It's not worth it, but you must talk back to your mind. I decide. I choose what happens now. Discipline is not pain. Discipline is freedom. It's power. It's your secret weapon. People who win are not the smartest. They are the ones who act every day. They do small actions even when they don't feel ready, even when they feel afraid. If you do that, motivation will come after action, never before it. When you move first, your brain wakes up and says, I can do this. So stop thinking, start moving, because movement creates motivation, not the other way around. Build momentum with small wins. Finish one task, celebrate it, and do another one. Your brain loves progress. When you see results, you start believing in yourself again. You'll feel energy return. Hope grow, and fear disappear with every small victory you create. And remember this: you can't control the past, but you can always control your next step. Take that step today. Right now, no matter how small or simple it feels. Start building your life, one choice at a time. One habit at a time. Because every time you choose discipline over delay, you win a battle for your future. So from now on, say it loud. No more waiting. My time starts now. Part 4. How to apply it in real life. Now, let's make this real. Because change is not about words. It's about action every day. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to start doing one thing right now. Example 1. You want to learn English, but you feel shy or scared to speak. Then start with one simple rule. Speak 5 sentences out loud every single day. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Repeat after a video or record your own voice. It doesn't matter if you make mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward fluency. People who laugh today will listen to you tomorrow when you speak with confidence. Example 2. You want to change your life, but you don't know where to begin. Then, write everything you want on paper, even if it feels small or impossible. Choose one thing from your list and take one small action toward it today. If you want to start a business, search one idea. Read one article. Watch one video. If you want to get fit, walk for 10 minutes, drink water, or skip one unhealthy meal. It's not about big changes. It's about small actions repeated every day with discipline. Big dreams are just small habits done again and again, until success becomes natural. Example 3. You feel lazy or tired, and your mind says, "Not today, maybe later." That's the moment to fight back, because the battle starts when excuses appear. Say, "No, I'll do it now," and move your body before your mind can stop you. Once you begin, your energy rises, your focus returns, and your confidence grows fast. You learn that motivation doesn't come from watching videos. It comes from doing the work. And when you do something uncomfortable, your mind becomes stronger than your feelings. That's how you build power. Not by waiting for the mood, but by acting with discipline. It's okay to fail. Failure is not the end, it's just a test of commitment. The only real failure is to stop trying and go back to your old habits. Keep showing up even when it's hard, because every effort plants a seed for tomorrow. Remember this. Every time you act, you teach your brain that you can trust yourself again. And when you trust yourself, your whole world starts to change in front of your eyes. You start to believe you can. And that belief becomes your strongest source of power. Don't chase perfection. Chase consistency. Small daily effort will beat lazy talent every single time. So today, begin your practice. One action, one promise, one small step forward. Because change begins not when you dream about it, but when you finally do it. Part 5. Your 7-day challenge to change your life. Let's take a moment to remember what you learned in this lesson about your life today. Number 1. Take responsibility. Your future depends on you. Not luck, not others, only you. Number 2. Respect your time. Because time is your most expensive and most limited treasure. Number 3. Control your mind. Because discipline is stronger than feelings and excuses combined. If you do these 3 things daily, your life will never stay the same again. You will feel more focused, more confident, and more alive than ever before. So here is your challenge. your 7-day plan to stop wasting your life right now. For the next 7 days, do something small that moves you closer to your dream. It could be reading for 10 minutes, writing your goals, or speaking English out loud. If you skip one day, it's okay. Just continue the next day. But never give up. Because habits are not built in one day. They are built with daily repetition and effort. Every time you complete one small action, write it down and say, "I am doing it." You'll see how your confidence grows, because you are proving to yourself that you can. Each action you take is a message to your brain saying, "I am serious about my future." After 7 days, look back. You'll see progress, and that progress is your new power. Don't wait for motivation. Let your own results motivate you to keep going forward. You are not behind. You are just beginning, and beginnings are always the hardest part. If you can survive the start, you can survive the journey, and you can win the game. So say it with me now. I will not waste my life anymore. My time starts now. Every time you practice English, you also train your focus, your courage, and your mindset. You are not just learning words. You are learning how to think, act, and grow differently. This is more than English. This is your personal training for a stronger, better life. So keep going, keep practicing, and keep believing. Because your future self is watching you. You owe it to yourself to make your life a story worth remembering and sharing. And remember, this always, the clock is ticking, but your time is not over yet. Stand up, take action, and show the world that you are ready to live fully. Now, if you are ready for the next step, the next lesson will change your mindset even deeper. So don't miss it. Your growth journey continues in the next video. Now tell me in the comments, what's your first small action starting today?